and the awesome underbed storage. This is perfect. It was initially set up to store bikes. This is a big slide out tray that pulls out. This is our step stair that we put in front of our sliding door that fits perfectly. I know it's big and massive, but it works perfectly for my dogs who have a bad hip. Big 25, 30 gallon water tank. That propane, yes, I need to seal it, air it out the bottom. This is a huge game changer. The on-demand propane hot water heater. You can hook it up. We have big 2-person tent that sets up outside the van, and you have an endless supply of hot water. I hooked up a little water pump, so when the kids want to shower, they know they just drop a pump in the bucket and they bring water for their own shower, or storage on the side. And then all the electrical good stuff in there, the little cracks. There's 3 100-watt lithium-ion batteries with all the Victron 2000-watt inverter, the battery charger, and of course these solar MPPT chargers in there. A little light switch for the garage, and then an exterior power. That's a quick down and dirty tour.